Hi, Paula Clark here, and I want to talk to you today about putting offers in homes. I know it's a challenging market, a very challenging market, but putting your best foot forward is the most important thing. A lot of times people were writing letters and thinking that would do it, but when you're up against 25, 30, even 40 offers sometimes on one home, it is usually what it comes down to are the terms and the price. So you have to look at the house and see, what is that house worth to you? But do your numbers. Be prepared. Talk to your mortgage rep based on your interest rate, based on the taxes. Put all the numbers together to see what your mortgage payment is going to be. Because that number for $7,000 more, let's say, could be a difference of $20 a month. And you can afford that house. If you're paying cash for a home, well, how long are you going to be in that home? That depends too, because of course you don't want to lose money when you live in a house, but if you're renting, aren't you losing money anyway? It's always the best time to buy a house if it's the right fit for you. Be prepared, but also be on top of it and work with an agent that really knows the area so they could give you information about the house and the location and the neighborhood and the schools to see if you're making the right decision based on taxes and your return. This is Paula Clark with the Paula Clark Group, giving you some really important fun facts.